Express Water Whole House Water Filter 3-stage home water filtration system. Housed in an optional high-quality food-grade stainless steel open front cabinet, Express Water Whole House Water Filter 3-stage system offers thoughtful and scientific top-of-the-line water filtration. Meeting all NSF standards, well water moves through high-capacity flow connectors with a range of up to 1/4 gallon per second at 45 to 80 psi. This filtration system is thinking as it filters. Unique technology built into the system guarantees no loss of water pressure, straight from the tap, pure, meaning no wasted water down the drain, and, depending on usage, 100,000 gallons of the purest water in a 6 to 12 month period. Filter changes are a simple twist, go, replace. Pressure release buttons mean no fighting to unscrew a filter or hunt for a specific wrench. Pressure gauges are built into the top of the unit for each filtration chamber, along with filter change indicators. The system indicates pressure levels for maximum efficiency and proper functionality as the water is filtered through the chambers. Here are some pros: sediment, granular carbon and carbon block chambers, pressure gauges and optional metal housing, latest technology-driven filtration, 100,000 gallon guarantee. And here are some cons: 62 pounds, no instructions with delivery, carbon filters affected water pressure, 1 year parts warranty.